Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I am your host, Brandon, and today, bam, we have Pachuli Kozha. Pachuli Kozha, okay? Before we do anything, hit the like, hit the subscribe, stay connected. In the Tesla, we mostly do fragrant notations and ideas. And today, the idea is to get into the notations. So let me... unsheathe this thing. All right, look how deep, dank, and green that is. Probably not something you need a whole lot of, okay? Probably not something you need a whole lot of. We're going to go ahead and get this straight into the spirit. We have a patchouli, warm spice, smoky, herbal, honey, fresh spice, woody, amber, balsamic, and leather. It's very offensive in the opening. I'll be honest. Again, this is from the experimental line, okay? So it's not something that's going to immediately be what you need it to be. But I'm definitely getting the honey, the smoky, the woody, and the warm spice. Those are definitely coming through. Let's get into some of these notes here. We got in the top notes, chamomile, artemisia, ylang ylang, hyacinth. In the middle notes, you got patchouli, black pepper, and in the base, you got honey, incense, and leather. And the honey comes off as kind of like a boozy type of fragrance, right? Not a huge fan on the booziness. This smells like cedar and honey, like a freshly cut block of cedar. It's interesting. It's interesting. Off the top, it's not something that I would necessarily wear, but it is interesting. This might need some more time to formulate. So we're going to give this one a little bit more time. I'm going to come back to you guys in about 10 minutes. These experimental fragrances, guys, they're very sophisticated. They're not, I'm telling you right now, if you ever have a chance to try the experimental line from Nishane, you have to give it 10 to 20 minutes. You have to. You cannot spray it and just go off the initial impressions. It is going to offend you. You are going to wonder why somebody sprayed you with this, okay? It is starting to come together, starting to blend. It's getting a little bit more silkier, a little bit more creamier, starting to blend in more. You know, when I initially sprayed it, it was like smoke, patchouli, honey, you know? It's coming together. I don't know what a lot of these things are. Ooh, this is smelling really, really pretty. I don't know what some of these things are on the top. Chamomile, artemisia, hyacinth. Those are things that are new. So we're going to give this one about 10 minutes. We're going to circle back. All right. All right. It's been about 10, 15 minutes. Pachuli Kozha from Nishane. I don't love it. It's definitely, it's brighter in some areas. It's not necessarily as uniform as I'd like it to be, but I'm just not a big honey, boozy type of person. And I really can't tell the difference all that much between honey and booze in this. I get that very syrupy, just, you know, super duper sweet, like annoyingly sweet aspect. To me, I don't like those types of fragrances. Now, regarding the fragrance on its own merit, it's definitely a strong, warm patchouli fragrance, for sure. I'm not getting too much woody. You know what it is? It might be the amber-honey combination. That might be what's overdoing it for me. But you guys should definitely check this out. It is from the experimental line. I think if you love patchouli, you won't be able to get enough of this. You know, one thing I learned about the this collection is that they take something that is usually like a subsidiary and a note, and they just go a 10 out of it. Like they make it the most that it can be. And I think that's why it's part of the experimental line. But yeah, not bad, not bad. If you like these types of fragrances. YouTube is making some suggestions to you right now. They're telling you can either check out this video or you can hit the subscribe. Definitely hit the subscribe, but check out the other video as well. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.